Hi, my name is Vienna, and I'm here with Manuel. And Manuel, please ask you, what's your favorite part about Houston?
Yeah, it's a lot of family-based places to be here. It's great if you have a family, if you have small kids. There's Discover Green, but they have a lot of free stuff, free events where you get to take your kids and multiple things. They have face painting. They'll have like markets where they sell stuff. Right now we're at the Houston Zoo. The weather, it's kind of rainy right now, but it's still a beautiful spot to bring your kids and your family. There's an aquarium in downtown. There's so many fun activities here in Houston that's one of the best things, that Houston is growing so much, and there's so much opportunity for growth right now. So it would be amazing to be able to do family activities with your family and stuff. Yeah.
So what's your most favorite attraction here the Houston Zoo?
The Houston Zoo, I would have to say the reptiles. The reptiles is pretty cool. They have a lot of snakes. They have a lot of cool reptiles, lizards and stuff. So that's one of my all-time favorites. My kids love it. My kids, they love the aquarium the most though.
Yeah, that's great. Would you like to add anything else to our viewers today, or?
Yeah, I'm actually from California, so I'm not originally born and raised in Houston, but I have no regrets of moving down here. Like I said, it's perfect if you want to raise a family. It's a lot calm, it's peaceful. The weather's getting a lot better. It is a lot of hot temperature here, but it is getting better. But I would recommend it to everybody. I mean, Houston feels like home now. So yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I like Houston.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for your time today.
No problem.
Bye, guys.